Hello guys, welcome to Computer's Sidekick. This is the video on Windows Installation Disk. I will show you how to use Installation Disk to repair and install Windows and also some tricks. You can use this guide for Windows 7 and above. First you need to boot to Installation Disk using pen drive or DVD. Now select the language you want and click Next. Click on Repair your computer to fix problems. If you select Continue, then your computer will restart and boot to Windows. This will simply turn off your computer. Select Troubleshoot. Here are three options. You can select Refresh your PC if your computer is running slow or if booting the computer takes long time. Select your Windows to continue. All your settings like wallpaper, background color will be lost. This process will not delete any of your personal files, but it will delete all the programs and games you have installed. Make sure to back up before performing refreshing your PC. The second option is to reset your PC. Select your Windows to continue. It is similar to resetting a smartphone. It will wipe everything including your personal files and programs. This is like fresh installation of Windows. The third one is Advanced Options. In this there are several tools. The first option is System Restore. System Restore lets you to undo things performed in your PC. For example, if you have installed a driver or a program, or if you recently updated your PC, and if the computer entered into a problem, you can bring back your computer to the state when it was working properly, say a week before. It will not affect personal files, but may affect your programs. Select your Windows to continue. Click Next. Select the most recent restore point. Click here if you want to check if this restore point will affect any program or not. Click Next. Select Finish. Make sure your PC has more than 50% battery as this process may take up to 20 minutes. Select Yes to continue the process. Interrupting this process may cause boot failure. The second option is System Image Recovery. You can use this only if you have previously taken any backup. The third option is Startup Repair. This will help you to fix your computer from boot problems like boot loop, blue screen, etc. You can check out my other videos on how to repair boot problems. The fourth option is Command Prompt. This will be extremely useful if you know Windows commands. For now, if you have any Windows error or if your PC is not booting, you can use SFC command. There are lots of commands to fix your computer problems. I will cover that in my upcoming videos. Here is a small trick which will be very useful to copy your files from your PC to pen drive. Select System Image Recovery. Since I haven't taken any backup, Windows couldn't find any backup. Select Cancel and click Next. Click Advance and select Install a driver. Click OK. Now you can access all your personal files. You can even access to the files which you will not be able to open in Windows. Now you can copy your files to a safer place like pen drive, but there is a small problem. If I copy a folder or a file, it will not show the moving progress. Even though the folder is being copied, it is not shown. The only solution is to wait for 5 to 10 minutes depending upon the size of the folder. I will talk about how to install Windows in upcoming videos. If you have any doubt or problems, let me know in the comments. I will try my best to help you. If you find the video helpful, give a like to this video. Subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you.